They are called alphabets. Yes, alphabets. And if we talk about individual letter, then they are letters. They are not alphabets. I repeat, alphabets are when we take all the letters from A to Z together. Okay. Now let's study about vowels. Yes, it is vowels or vowels, not vowels. Vowels. Now let's study about vowels. What are vowels? Let's mark all the vowels in the alphabets. Yes. So what are vowels? Can you tell me? Yes. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So let me mark all the vowels for you all. A, E, I, O and U are vowels. Okay. So how many vowels are there in alphabets? 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. So let me write all the vowels individually, so as to make it more clear. A, E, I, O and U are the vowels. Okay. So should we remove all the vowels from the alphabets? Okay. I am removing all the alphabets, all the vowels from the alphabets. So now what are these? What do they become? They are not alphabets anymore, because alphabets, when we take all letters from A to Z, now they become consonant. What are these? These become our consonant. So before understanding articles, it is very important to understand about consonants and vowels. So you all know what are vowels? Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U. And consonants, all the letters of the alphabets which are not vowels. Yes, which are not vowels become your consonant. If I remove all the vowels from the alphabets, they become consonant. So it is more important to learn vowels. Okay? Okay. So now I will tell you about articles. So our topic to be discussed today is articles. What are articles? All the words which are a and the are the articles. A is an article, an is the article, and the is the article. Yes, these articles are placed before the nouns or the describing words. Let us study the rules when to place a and an. So what are we going to learn? We are going to learn about a and an. What are the rules which we have to keep in mind before writing a, before placing a and an? The first rule says that a and an are written before the singular noun. We write a and an before singular nouns only. Okay? Yes. We use a or an before singular nouns. Now can you tell me what are singular nouns? Nouns you all know. Person, place, animal, things are your noun. And what is the meaning of singular? Singular means one. The singular means one. Plural means more than one. Plural can be 2, 3, 4 are all plural. Let's take an example. For example, let's take cow. Let's take cow. Cow is your singular noun. And if I say cows, this S is making it plural. This S is making it plural. So cow is singular noun and cows are plural. See children, a and denotes one. If I see a cow, it means one cow. Okay, so a and an are always written before singular nouns only. So now comes my second rule. We use a when the word begins with consonant sound. Yes, we are talking about a and here we are talking about a now. We use a when the word begins with consonant sounds. We all have discussed what are consonants. Consonants, the letters which are not vowels are your consonants like B, C, G. Now E becomes your vowel. A, E, I, O, U are your vowels. So E is your vowel, then F is a consonant, G is a consonant, and so on. Okay? For example, let's say a cow. The example which we have already discussed. A cow. Okay? Now let's take, for example, a cow. So here the article we are placing is a because the word cow begins with C and C is a consonant. Right children? C is a consonant. Let me take another example. Let's take beautiful palace. Which article am I going to place? A beautiful palace. Why? Now beautiful is a describing word. Beautiful is a describing word. If I write a beautiful swan. Yes. So now swan is one in number. It is a singular noun. Now beautiful. Now can you see the describing word? Beautiful. It is beginning with B. And B is again a consonant. So I will write a beautiful swan. Okay?
The article A is seen with nouns that begin with consonants. For example, a bus, a cow, a girl, a zoo.
Okay. So now comes my third rule of a and an. Now my third rule says we use an. We use an. Yes, I'm talking about an now. We use an when the word begins with vowel sounds. When the word begins with vowel sounds. Can you tell me example of vowels now? Yes, you all know all vowels. Now let's take some example. For example, umbrella. Yes, let's take an example. It is an umbrella. Why do we write an umbrella? Yes, we write an umbrella because I will see the word you. Now the word is umbrella. Now this umbrella word begins with U. It starts with U. And U is a vowel. U is a vowel. And we know if it begins with a vowel, then we place an umbrella. Right children? Then we place and then an umbrella. Let's take another example. Yes. For example, let's take another example. Ugly house. Ugly house. Let's take example. Ugly house. Ugly house. Now this is also okay. Ugly, since you have done this, I will write another. You all know is a vowel. So I write down old. Old house. Now O. What I'm going to see? I'm going to see the word old. Old is beginning with O. And we know O is also vowel. So what am I supposed to write here? I will write an old house. That means one old house, an old house, because old word begins with vowel. So I will write an old house. I hope this much is clear to you all.
N likes to listen to nouns beginning with vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, an octopus, an ink bottle, an elephant.